The journey of every potato chip begins long before it reaches your hands. Fresh potatoes arrive from farms, delivered in massive quantities.
Each potato is visually checked for freshness and size.
Advanced sensors analyze quality at lightning speed. Only the best potatoes are allowed to continue. Quality control begins immediately. Every batch is carefully weighed and recorded. Now, the transformation truly begins. Field dirt must be completely removed. Powerful water jets clean every surface.
Dirty water exits the system.
Only clean produce remains. A final rinse ensures purity.
Ready for peeling.
Peeling begins inside sealed machines. And motion loosen the skin.
The outer layer separates quickly.
Uniform peeling is achieved. Waste is collected separately. Residue is washed away.
Peeling complete.
Quality control continues. Machines detect tiny flaws. No imperfection is ignored.
Minor defects are removed.
Unusable potatoes are discarded. Consistency is ensured.
Only premium quality proceeds.
Now comes shaping. Precision is key. Blades slice rapidly.
One potato becomes dozens of chips.
Automation maintains accuracy.
Excess starch must be removed.
Slices separate smoothly. Almost ready.
Prepared for heat. Blanching stabilizes color. Enzymes are deactivated.
Texture is adjusted.
Moisture must go. Air removes surface water. Dry slices fry better. Mechanical force completes drying. Oil absorption is reduced.
Flavor defines the chip. Salt is added evenly. Signature tastes are created. Gentle mixing ensures balance.
Final quality check. Color and shape examined. Only perfect chips remain. Taste is tested.
Freshness must be sealed. Exact portions filled. Oxygen is replaced. Crispness protected. Bag
Finished products rest. Stored under ideal conditions. Quality preserved. Every box tracked. Markets call.